I know you have heard many times that meditation is not necessary in order to manifest. I totally agree with you, but I will share with you my opinion on why meditation helped me manifest faster. Your opinions can be totally different, and I totally appreciate them. There was a huge difference in my life when I tried meditation and when I didn't. Let us first understand what meditation is. Meditation is an activity that connects you to the Creator or Divine. It cannot be defined, but there are some practices that help you achieve the state of meditation. Conscious breathing is the most common technique used to get into a meditative state. I learned about manifestation in the year 2019. I came across subliminals in early 2019, and I used HypnoDaddy subs. I was consuming lots of self-improvement material at that time. Then one fine day, I watched the documentary The Secret. It was eye-opening for me at that time. I was amazed, and I got into a journey of manifestation in the beginning of 2020. I also heard that meditation helps us in so many ways and has numerous benefits. From gaining a new perspective to reducing negative emotions, increasing self-awareness, focusing on the present, and improving our creativity and imagination. You might not have noticed these benefits before, but they are what help you manifest. As you are all aware, imagination is important in manifestation. We must become aware of our mental diet, look at things from a different perspective, and reduce negative emotions. All of these qualities can be enhanced through meditation. Pause and read that again and again. In the early days, when I used to manifest my desires, guided meditation always helped me to achieve what I wanted. It helped in impressing my subconscious mind much faster than other techniques. It can be different for you, but I want you to pick up one guided meditation video that resonates with your goal and follow it for a couple of days. You will be amazed by the results. Also, you can leave the guided meditation and just sit with yourself for no less than 10 minutes and focus on your breath. Just this one simple activity will keep you on track. This will enhance your ability to get aware and will help you to build a new perspective quickly and easily. Your imagination will get vivid. Also, you may have heard that whatever you focus on expands. For some of you, keeping your attention on a single task for a longer duration of time can be a difficult task. Your mind may be wavering from one thing to another, and that is due to excessive use of social media and zero meditation. When you meditate, your ability to focus skyrockets. When I stopped doing these things, the benefits diminished, and I spent the majority of my time on social media. I felt a difference within me that I couldn't convey through words, but it lowered my ability to remain persistent. Now, I am starting again with the meditation practice. Let's see what benefits it would bring. I will share them with you in my future videos, so don't forget to subscribe. I will also upload some recorded guided meditation videos if you are interested in them. Just comment below interested and the topic you want so that I can get an idea of what you guys want. Anyway, I will meet you tomorrow with another nugget. Happy manifesting!